Okay, question. I think I know what a CAR T cell is, but how are they actually made? Ooh, so all FDA-approved CAR T cells are made from our own cells. So they come from our blood? Exactly. If you add an anticoagulant to blood and spin it really fast, you can separate blood into its basic components. The white blood cells that we need are in this tiny little layer called the buffy coat. We need a lot of them though, so we use a special machine to continuously collect it. Out of all the white blood cells, we only want the T cells. To isolate them, we can use magnetic beads coated in antibodies that will literally latch onto our T cells and pull them out under magnetic field. Using similar antibody-coated beads, we can then activate the T cells. With the T cells primed and ready, we can then insert the CAR gene using either viral or non-viral methods. This gene encodes the CAR receptor. Right. I remember that receptor from your last video. After that, it's simple. We just have to grow millions of CAR T cells and infuse them back into the patient.